associative law. Associative law. Let small e comma small b comma small c, that is belongs to here q, rational number belongs to q. Now let us consider a star b star c is equal to, a star b is defined as ab by 2 star c. Okay, this is the first element, it is the second element. So again a star b is defined as a star b, first element second element by 2, first element second element by 2. So that is equal to ABC by 4, and A star B star C is equal to A star B star C, first element second element, defined as first element into second element by 2. Again A star A first element, total BC by 2 is the second element. So first element into second element divided by 2, that is equal to ABC by 4. So therefore A star B ABC by 4, A star B star C is equal to ABC by 4, A star B star C equal to ABC by 4. So A star B star C is equal to A star B star C. Therefore here star is associative. Star is associative. Next you come here. Fourth question on Z plus here. Fourth question. A comma B belongs to Z plus and A star B it is defined as 2 power AB. 2 power AB. Clearly you can take any two positive integers, then A into B is also positive integer and 2 power positive integer is again positive integer. Therefore it is here for all A comma B, that is belongs to Z plus, 2 power AB is also belongs to Z plus. Therefore star is a binary operation. Next, commutative law. Commutative law. A star B is equal to, it is defined as 2 power AB. So 2 power AB can be written as 2 power BA. A into B and B into A both are same. So it is nothing but B star A. Therefore A star B equal to B star A. B star A. Therefore star is commutative. Therefore star is commutative. Star is commutative. Next, associative. Let A comma B comma C means we are defining, or the given set is Z plus belongs to Z plus. Now let us consider A star B star C, that is equal to A star B is 2 power AB. It is 2 power AB star C. So that is equal to A star B means A star B means 2 power AB. First A is first element, B is the second element. So 2 power first element into second element. So 2 power first element into second element. This is A star B star C, and A star B star C is equal to A star B star C 2 power first element into second element, that is equal to, this is the first element, now it is the second element. So star is 2 power first element into second element means 2 power BC. So therefore here 2 power AB into C, 2 power AB into C. So therefore 2 power AB into C is not at all equals to 2 power A into 2 power BC. So therefore both are different. Therefore A star B star C not equals to A star B star C. Therefore star is not associative. Question number 5. This one. It is defined as A comma B, that is belongs to Z plus the given set. Means A comma B are positive integers. So therefore A to the power of B, you can take any positive integer. Means A is equal to 2, B is equal to 4, just like that. So 2 power 4 is also a positive integer. So I am telling that A power B is also belongs to Z plus for all A comma B, that is belongs to Z plus. Therefore star is a binary operation. Next, commutative law. We are verifying the commutative law. So A star B, that is equal to, it is given as A power B. Next, and what about B star A? Here A is the first element, B is the second element. It is as 1 to the power of 2. Similarly 1 to the power of 2. So therefore clearly A power B not at all equals to B power A, for B power A. Therefore A star B not equals to B star A. Therefore star is not commutative. Next, associative law. Associative law. Let so it is about Z plus. Let A comma B comma C belongs to Z plus. Take 3 Z plus positive integers. Now A star B star C is equal to A star B is what? A power B. A power B star C. So that is equal to, here A star B, A star B equal to A power B. A star B means A first element, B second element. It is just as first power second, just like that. So first, this is the first element. This is the first element. It is the second element. First element power second element. So on simplification, it is A to the power of BC. A to the power of BC. Next, and A star B star C, that is equal to A star first element whole to the power of C. So second element. So that is equal to, now this one is first element, this one is second element. So first element to the power of second element. Here first element whole to the power of second element. Here first element whole to the power of second element. Therefore A to the power of BC or A to the power of B whole power C not at all equals to A power B power C. Therefore A star B star C not equals to A star B star C. So therefore star is not associative. Next, this one. A comma B are any real numbers except the -1. Here A star B. A star B defined as A first element by second element plus 1. Here definitely it is belongs to any real number minus 1. For all A comma B, that is belongs to any real number except minus 1. What I am telling that, take two elements A comma B, that is belongs to capital R minus 1, except minus 1. Take any two real numbers instead of A, instead of B. After substituting, the resultant value is also giving any real number but except minus 1. Understand? Right. Therefore, star is a binary operation. Now, commutative law. A star B is equal to A by B plus 1. A by B plus 1. Okay. A by B plus 1. So, B star A is what? Here, A is first element, B is a second element. It is as first element by second element plus 1. Similarly, here B star B is the first element, A is the second element. Follow this rhythm or pattern. First element by second element plus 1. So clearly A by B plus 1, it is not equal to B by A plus 1. For all A comma B, that is belongs to R minus the set of minus 1. You can verify it. Therefore, A star B not equals to B star A. That implies star is not commutative. Star is not commutative. Next, associative. Let A comma B comma C that belongs to any real number except minus 1. It is the given set. Okay. A star B star C, that is equal to A star B is what? A by means first element by second element plus 1 star C. So similarly, now this is the first element, it will be the second element. What is the pattern? First element by second element plus 1. First element by second element plus 1. So on simplification, A by B plus 1 into C plus 1. Next, let us consider A star B star C. So A star B star C. B is the first element, C is the second element. What is the pattern? First element by second element plus 1. Okay. Next, here A is the first element. Next, B, this one B divided by C plus 1 is second element. What is the pattern? First element by second element plus 1. So simplify it. A divided by B plus C plus 1 divided by C plus 1. So clearly A into C plus 1 divided by B plus C plus 1. So therefore clearly these both are different. Therefore clearly we see that A star B star C not at all equals to A star B star C. Therefore star is not associative. Is not associative. That's the problem. Now number 1, 2. Two statements are given. Verify whether they are true or false. This is the question. Okay, let us consider the first question. For any arbitrary binary operation on natural number, that's why for 1, I will take A star B is equal to A plus B for all A comma B, that is belongs to capital N. I choose the operation star as defined as A plus B, just like that for natural numbers. Okay, put B is equal to A. What is the need of putting B is equal to A? To obtain A star A. Therefore A star B value A is equal to A plus A. So that implies A star A is equal to 2A. But 2A is not equal to A for all A belongs to natural number. Therefore star is not a binary operation on natural number set. But he said it is the binary operation. Therefore this first statement is false. First statement is false. To show that the first statement is false, I took this operation. I defined like that. You can define any way to show that the first equation or first statement is false. Okay? Right. Number two. Star is commutative. Okay. LHS. What is LHS? A star, B star C. It is LHS. Star is commutative means commutative law means X star Y is equal to Y star X, or A star B is equal to B star A. First element star second element equal to second element star first element. It is the commutative law. Just like AB equal to BA. So first element, this is the second element. So we can write second element star first element, because star is commutative. Star is commutative. Next, star is commutative. That's why B star C can be written as C star B. That's all. Since star is commutative, so we got the result, same result. Therefore, the second statement is true. This is true. This one is false.